So it's been a little bit over a month now, and I have made a couple changes to the bike. You've probably seen it in previous videos. The plan is to go slow, but I got something today that isn't going to change the bike. It's kind of like a bonus, maybe. All right, we're going to take a look and unwrap what I got. All right, everybody, this is Jerry MinnowMoto. Before I get into what I bought, I am just going to tell you that if you look down below in the comments, or before the comments, in the description, you will find links to the gear that I'm using. If you want to see what I use on the bike or what I use in the workshop, it is down there. Feel free to check that out. I also have a link and a coupon code for Beyond Riders. If you're looking for some gear and wanted to save a little bit of cash, you can do that by using coupon code MinnowMoto. One of the things I complain most about on the Heritage is just the lack of space. I am used to having those big bags and just plenty of room. Right now, one side is full of rain gear and a toolkit, tire pump with some plugs. Nothing exciting, but it's full. The other bag has some different cleaning products, rags, some zip ties, just some stuff. Not a lot of room left over, especially if I put like an extra jacket in there. It's gone. No extra place. I do like to carry in a soft-sided cooler on hot days for some water, stuff like that. I'm not wearing a backpack. I'm not going back to that. I am not a teenager. I'm going to be a snob. So I was looking for a bag that would fit on the back of the sissy bar I put on. It has a small rack. I think the dimensions are like maybe 9 by 9 by 6 or something. I didn't want to get anything too big, so I have been searching the internet for about a month, and this was what I found that was a pretty good deal. You saw the box. It's made by Saddlemen. It is a roll bag. I found it at JP Cycles. They were the only ones I was able to find it. I know that I believe they're in cahoots with like Revzilla and all, who I've done business with for years, Cycle Gear. This was my first JP Cycles purchase. I think it was like $55. I don't have the part number. It's like a Saddleman 850 or something. Dimensions are 14 by 8 by 5. So that's it in the bag. We are going to open it real quick. Take a look at what it is. And to see, they put a zip tie on that. They really did not want us to get into there prematurely. So just initial, oh my God, this is bigger than what I was looking for. That's it. Oh, it looks like it has some stickers attached to it. Nothing here. Oh, roll bag R8500. Don't know if you could see that. I did not see this on the Saddleman website when I went looking for information. I also did not find anything on YouTube about it other than a brief snippet from Saddleman when the bag first came out. Let's see what is in the bag. Oh, the bag actually is bigger than what I thought. Some bonus silica packets. If you have a 3D printer, keep these with your ink. I have a filament. I have a tub I keep stuff in, and this is it. It's not going to collapse, so that's good. I don't like the worn down look. That's it. My arm, fist, oh, into the elbow. So that's a lot of storage. I hope it fits on the bike. Has a Velcro pad on the inside. Maybe some sort of pocket. Not sure. All right, it zips up nice. Let's see if it only opens on one end. So one end to worry about, a little strap to carry it. All right, I like it. That is very simple. Let's look in here. This immediately screams it's the strap for me to carry it in. This is something I would like to keep on the bike. And I got 2 packs of these. These are just going to be, I guess, the straps to hook it on. Around the bag somehow. We'll figure that out. For my use case, it gave me a little key. Oh, maybe I'll find something for this key. Oh, look, a little lock. Oh, like one of those little travel locks. That is funny. No, it's closed. Let's see if the key does anything. Well, you do have to turn it, but pretty chintzy. If you're really worried about that, I'm assuming you would just go and buy your own key. First of all, there's two different sets of straps. One strap is very easy. Female end, male end. Click. That makes sense, right? Female end, male end. What I was playing with on the bike, and then I just realized it. Let me unhook this. This is the strap that I had on. Male, female, and then another little male end for a little menage a trois. I'm not sure. We'll move on. I'm not going to use those. The bag, you can't really... One side has the female end for those snaps, and the other side has the male. So, woohoo! You can put the bag with the opening on the side that you want it. I'm trying to hook it up so I don't touch or use the sissy bar in case I want to put my karaoke bag back here. I'll be able to slide it on without interruptions from this guy. Let's see how it worked. It's not going anywhere. One zipper in. There you go. It's pretty decent storage. The entire flat part is on the rack, which I like that. You can see it there. So that's pretty good. It shouldn't shift weight. Once I tie this up, it should look okay. I'll try it out, get some miles on it, and see how it does. Of course, I got home. It was beautiful, cool outside. Missed the rain everywhere I went. So what I'm going to do is put this little rag in here. It's dry. I'm going to throw it in here and hit this guy with the hose. It's not a real test, right? Because you're talking something that could be hours of rain, but just to see how it does. It's supposed to be water resistant. It's supposed to hold its shape too, but look at this, guys. Look, on this side it looks a little more ovally. I don't like that. Maybe I got this side too tight. I don't know. We're going to squirt this guy with some water. Put the zippers in the back. Put that on jet. And I'm mostly going to try to focus on the zipper side, just to see if the zipper seals up tight. Because everything else, it looks like it's beaten off. Like almost anything except for like a rubber or a vinyl. Sooner or later, water's going to find a way in. Direct hit mostly to the zipper. Gonna see if the zipper leaks. Yes, it did. Look at that. It's on the inside here. How far? Got on the top of this guy. All right, so it only went in the first couple inches. You're not going to be able to see that. But that is good to know. Before I keep anything in there, I will actually put it inside a waterproof bag. So don't expect this Saddleman to be waterproof, but it's going to serve my purpose for now anyway. So thanks for watching.